Hey guys, it's Chris from Reynolds Roost. Today's episode we are going to do a little fishing out in the pond. You can see I got the kayak sitting there. I think I'm going to use the kayak tonight. The pond's not very big, but there's some pockets I can't hit without the kayak, so that's what we're going to do. I'm using the bone-colored Whopper Plopper. You know, I didn't buy into the hype at first, but a couple evenings ago, I was using a loon color, which is the black color. And I caught probably 7 or 8 bass, including some nice ones. And of course, I wasn't recording, so no proof really. So we'll see if we can catch them again. I'm gonna say we'll catch 5. That's my guess. But let's get to it. All right, guys. Let's see what this old Whopper Plopper can do. Hoping we can catch something. It's my first time using the bone color, which is a yellow. I've had decent success with the bluish, I forgot the name of it. And I had my most luck with the loon color, which is the black one. Oh, there we go. There's one. Alright, alright, alright. Get my pliers out. That didn't take long. And I didn't bring a net, so that was not too smart. That's alright. We'll make it work. And I brought the worst pliers. God. Alright. What I don't like about these is, I hate treble hooks. I just hate treble hooks because they're just a pain in the butt. Alright. Unhook out. There we go. A little one. Maybe half pound, if that. One down. Earlier I was mowing around the pond here and had a big old water snake slithering across. I took a video on my phone. Maybe I can throw it in this video. Alright. Oop, something jumped over there. Come on. Where's your mama? Or daddy? Oh, that was perfect. Oh, I thought for sure I was going to get hit right there. Yeah, I was saying, when I caught that first one, I'm not a big fan of fishing from the kayak. I like to be up a little higher. I can be more accurate with my cast, but can't complain. I see a giant bullfrog under that tree. Holy. Oh, there we go. Bigger. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh, this one might be a good one. My kayak is all over the place. Oh, that's a nice one. Woo, look at that one. Holy shiza. That's a hoss right there. Ho ho! Money! Now. Oh, God. That's a nice one. Oh, I wish I had a net. Come here. Don't break. Oh, that's a monster. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Come here. Oh. Alright, he's not done. Oh, he's not done. If you're gonna take us for a ride, can you take us the other way? Oh, that's a nice one. Alright. Come here. Are you done? Come here. Give me that lip. Give me that lip. Give me that lip. Come on. It's not cooperating. I'm trying not to get a treble hook in my thumb. Come on. Yeah! Holy shit. That's a monster. Holy. Oh. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, he's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Thank you. And just had one jump right in front of me. Look at the mouth on this thing. Oh, I wish I had a scale. It is heavy. I'm just gonna... This thing is just as wide as my kayak. And I'm not talking just the flat part. It's even with tails going over the edge right here. Holy. Whew. Second fish, baby. Oh, God damn, it's heavy. That thing is all of... I don't know. That is more than 5. That is probably 7, 8 pounds. Gosh, I have my scale. Let me tell you. That's definitely more than 5 pounds. Oh my gosh. Holy. Whew. Thank you. Get you revived here. Alright, ready? See you later. God. Oh. I don't need the fish anymore. That's all I needed. My goodness. I really hope my GoPro's on right now. I got it mounted on my head, so I can't tell. Holy. So the last fish I caught the other night when I was using that loon color, I don't know what happened, but the fish, I had him right next to the kayak, and I don't know, I had the line tied on there pretty good, I thought. Anyway, the fish ended up breaking the line with the lure still in it, so it sucks. I mean, the lure is expensive, but you know, I don't want any of these nice bass. It wasn't a giant, probably a pound and a half, but I don't want any of these fish dying, so hopefully somehow maybe catch it again. I don't think that's going to happen, but I don't know. Hopefully it'll survive, but I doubt it. Now these treble hooks. Dang, bass are being stingy tonight. I don't know, this one's just not swimming quite right. Oh, that's what I was trying not to do. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Huh. Usually by this section, I've caught 4 or 5 already. We're sitting at 2. I don't know, maybe they learned a lesson from biting these things. Jesus. Having terrible casting. Now my lure's all twisted. What the heck did I do? That's impressive. You know, you ever fish and you get some of these predicaments and you look at your lure, your line, and you're like, how did that even happen? We're about halfway around the pond. It's only two. Oop. Everyone jumped behind me. Maybe I should have stayed over there longer. Well, I don't know what's going on. My prediction of 5 is gonna not be too accurate. But that's okay, because I caught a very nice one. Oh. That was just about 3 inches too far. Else that would have been a perfect cast. What is going on? Huh. Usually by this section I've caught 4 or 5 already. We're sitting at 2. We're about halfway around the pond. It's only 2. Oop. Everyone jumped behind me. Maybe I should have stayed over there longer. Well, I don't know what's going on. My prediction of 5 is gonna not be too accurate. Guess this worked a lot better when the water was a little lower. Over by the dock, I'm sure I should get one. Not near the dock, but by those trees next to the dock. Usually a pretty good spot. Oh! There we go. Ooh. Ooh, it's hit. This hit the kayak. Yeah, it's a decent one. Not bad, actually. Woo! Oh, that's a good one. Actually, a really good one. Oh, that's another solid one. Yeah. That's a nice one. Treble hook right in the lip. Let's see if I can get that first one out. You ain't done yet, huh? You're not done yet. Oh. Alright. Get that out of your system? Alright. Don't get that trouble in your mouth. Alright. There. Yeah! That's another nice one. That one's pretty freaking heavy too. Man, it's a solid one. I really wish I had a scale. Great, now that treble's in there. That's why I hate treble hooks. Yeah. Well, not quite as long as the other one. The other one was probably 3 or 4 inches longer, but this one is still pretty hefty. That's gotta be... I'd say 4 pounds. That might even be close to 5. I don't know. We'll go with 4. We'll go on this. We'll go on the low side. 4 or 5. Alright, you good? Yep, you're good. Ready? See you later. Well, that's 3. And 2 out of 3 were nice ones, so that is a win. That is a win. I thought I'd catch at least one more. I'm sorry, nothing beats topwater fishing. I love when they hit it. It's just so unexpected. Ugh, that was terrible. I might not be catching as many fish with the bone color as I did with the loon, but the quality is definitely better. That one I just caught was about the size of the biggest one I caught with the loon color. Most of them are about 2 pounds that I caught with that one. Man. 6. Oh. I'm getting greedy with these casts now. That was terrible. Right in the trees. Oh! 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 You're a fight! I just got splashed. Not a giant one, but a feisty one at that. I know that. Hey, I'll catch these all day. Give me that lip. Well, guys, we fell one short of our pre-trip prediction, but 2 of those were monsters, and I'm very happy with that. Those Whopper Ploppers, I don't know why I didn't start using them a lot sooner. That's, what, 12 fish, 2 of the kayak and 2 I lost in the last 2 trips out, so caught a lot more with the loon, but much bigger ones with the bone color. Overall, very happy. I can't complain. But until next time, guys, hit the like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. On to the next one.